Hey guys, today you're checking out stock number 301795, and this is a 2026 Yukon Elevation, and our color is Summit White. Let's take a look inside at some of our interior features that we've got on this unit. All right, so we got power windows, mirrors with folding mirrors, power locks, memory seat with a power driver's seat and lumbar support. Got our parking brake, lane keep assist, parking assist, auto start stop, traction control, the camera, advanced parking assist, 4x4 controls, interior and exterior lighting controls. Steering wheel features forward collision alert, cruise control settings, hands-free, and stereo remote controls with heat. New shifter. We are satellite radio ready. We've got our electronic dual and rear climate control with heated front seats. USB ports, cell phone charger. We're also OnStar ready. We've got our rear seat controls, hatch release, and our interior color is jet black. Moving on to our rear passenger features, we've got power windows, locks, 2 bucket seats that include heat, rear climate control, USB ports, and they do fold down for access to that third row. 60/40 split bench seat. Onto our exterior, we've got our running boards, 20-inch GMC rims. We've got rear parking aid, a rear view camera, remote hatch. There's all our cargo space, and the seats do fold down. I keep pushing the wrong button. There we go. Okay. Seats fold down. They give you a lot more extra cargo space. And there you have it, guys. That's stock number 301795. You just checked out the Summit White 2026 GMC Yukon Elevation. Thanks for watching.